Hello and welcome to episode 4. We have learned about 3/8 and then duple meter, compound meter, which is 6/8, triple compound meter, which is 9/8, and now we're going to go for the quadruple compound meter. So let's go to the board. On assignment 4, what you're going to do is perform 12/8 rhythms, and we're not going to practice this time. They're all on your own. The 12/8 rhythms are one measure problems, and when you do these problems, you need to first say which problem you're going to do, count before and give yourself a tempo, and then perform and record. Then go ahead and just submit the assignment. The worksheet that you can access all the rhythms that you're supposed to perform is in the web page or in the assignments folder. And then the rhythmic dictation, you're going to have one measure problems of 12/8, and what you're going to do is you're going to listen to a trumpet play each of these 3 times, and then we'll move on to another problem. Use Finale Notepad and just use a drum score, or you can use a trumpet score if you want, but just use one pitch and write out the rhythms. There can be rests, so just be aware of that. Okay, and now let's go discuss the other discussion. There are 2 discussions in this episode, and the first one, discussion 4A, you need to discuss why you think counting with single syllables is more important than counting with multiple syllables. We gave you an example today where we had to count the word 7, but instead of saying 7, I wanted you to say sev. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Where might be an example that saying multiple syllables would lead to an inaccurate performance? Why would we want to say sev instead of 7? Okay, maybe name an example, come up with an example, something like that. But why is single syllables better than multiple syllables? Okay, so that's your discussion for 4A. Discussion 4B, what do you find most difficult in either performing and or dictating compound time? Be specific, give examples, and then also give how you would improve that specific skill or that specific problem that you have, what you find most difficult about performing and or dictating compound time. Get that done, and we'll see you in episode 5.